Here we have a Makita battery charger. I bought it from China some time ago and it turned out to be really bad. The charging speed is painfully slow. As you can see, the inside is almost empty. The only part I'm going to keep is the connector that fits the Makita battery. Today we are going to turn this connector into an adapter that lets us draw power directly from a Makita battery for different devices. You can buy these Makita battery adapters online and they are not expensive. But since I already have this charger that is almost useless, I will salvage the connector from it. The connector itself is actually very good. It slides onto the battery easily and locks in place without any problems. A quick check with the multimeter confirms that the power is coming through. Of course, the adapter needs a cable, so we can get the power out. I'm also adding a 5.5mm DC barrel connector, so it can power different devices. It's very common size for 12V devices. Just remember that a fully charged Makita battery outputs 21V. The voltage drops close to 12V only when the battery is almost empty. However, I have a few devices that can still use it because they accept a wide voltage range. The soldering itself is very simple. Just solder the two wires to the connector. The hardest part is probably designing the enclosure. I added a short piece of plastic tubing to protect the wires and then reinforced everything with hot glue to provide strain relief. That should hold up just fine. Finally, I 3D printed this plastic cover. Using some blue tack, I can easily mark the position for the mounting hole. This is the kind of project I enjoy. I usually don't like throwing things straight into the trash. Instead, I try to see if there are any useful parts I can reuse, or if I can turn the whole product into something useful. Of course, it would be even better to think about that before buying, but we are all a little weak when it comes to gadgets. The cover is secured with a single screw. It doesn't need to be extremely strong. Its main job is simply to protect the connector, so that, for example, a screwdriver can't accidentally short them together. And now it's finished. I can use this adapter to power my belt grinder, and it works great with it. When I'm sanding something dusty, I can simply take the tool outside. It is especially useful with this mini circular saw, because I really don't want to use it indoors. It produces a lot of very fine dust, which is definitely not good for your lungs. The adapter is now finished and it works great. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.